If you look at this question, it's an important question now. It's an important question. If you see, what is the equation of the first line given in the problem here? It's told find the distance of the line 4x minus y is equal to 0. So I can write y is equal to 4x. Y is equal to 4x is a straight line which will definitely pass through the origin. So this is nothing but the origin O0, 0. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the negative x-axis, negative y-axis. Y is equal to 4x is this line. This is y is equal to 4x. This is the line. Okay, y is equal to 4x. From the point 4, 1, measured along the line at an angle of 135 degree with the positive direction of the x-axis. So there is a line which is making an angle of theta 135 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So I'll call this as L1. This is nothing but line 2. Okay. So from the point 4, 1, from the point 4, 1. So if we can say from the point 4, 1 is a point somewhere here. Correct. Measured along the line making an angle of 135 degree with the positive x-axis, which means if I call this point as the point A, now my first job is to find out this point B. If I find this point, then I have to calculate the distance. So this is the distance what is expected to be calculated, correct? Distance. So now, see now, theta is given in the problem as 135 degree. So what is the slope of L2? Slope of L2, that is nothing but m, that is equal to tan theta, m2. So that is m2, that is equal to slope of L2, m2 is equal to tan theta, tan of 135 degree. So m2 is equal to tan of 180 degree minus 45 degree. So your answer to the question will be m2, that is equal to minus tan 45 degree. So your value for m2 is equal to minus 1, correct? Now there is a equation of L2. How do you calculate equation of L2? So it is nothing but y minus y1. See, this is the point under consideration now, x1, y1. Y minus 1, that is equal to m into x minus x1, correct? So I can say y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, point slope form. Here this is m2, correct? Y minus 1, that is equal to minus x plus 4. So I can say x plus y is equal to 5. This I'll put it as equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 5. Is it okay? Now, and also y is equal to 4x, right? This I'll put it as equation number 2. Why? Because now this point of intersection has to satisfy both L1 and L2, right? From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, I can say that from 1 and 2, if you substitute y as 4x, x will be equal to 1, correct? How by? 5x is equal to 5, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Therefore, the point B what we are talking of, x2, y2 will be equal to 1, 4. So this point, which is nothing but x2, y2, we will get this as 1, 4. Now you just apply the distance formula. Distance D is equal to the distance between AB, right? So which is nothing but x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is nothing but root 9 plus 4 minus 1, 3, root 9, which is nothing but root of 9 into 2, which is equal to what is it? 3 root 2 is the answer to the question.